Okay, here's what we started with. 1 3/16 416 round stock. We forged it down a little bit oversized and then milled this stuff square. Okay guys, we measured our blade out to be 368 thousandths thick at the guard, where the guard will fit. I like a press fit, so we're going to machine that 2 thousandths undersize. And basically, I scribbled on this with a marker to represent that. The purple lines represent the initial slot that we'll make, and then the green is what we're going to move out to achieve our final dimensions on this thing. And we're going to be using a Lakeshore carbide, solid carbide, 5/16 diameter, 3 flute, center cutting end mill. I started buying stuff for this company based on Nathan Crothers' recommendation, and I've been really happy with the company and the product, so it's really killer stuff. So a little simple math to explain how we're going to do that. If we take the decimal form of our 5/16 cutter, that's right here, and then we need to subtract that from what our desired slot dimension is. That's going to give us 53.5 thousandths. And so then we remember that's what the final dimension is. That's the final amount over that initial slot. So we need to divide that in two. So we're going to take an equal amount off either side of it, and that's going to give us this dimension here. And since that's beyond my machines capabilities, we'll round it a little bit and simplify things. And so basically we're going to do a 5/16 diameter cutter and add 26 thousandths per side, and that's going to give us right in the ballpark of what we need to get a press fit for that guard onto that blade. So let's go ahead and make that slot. Okay, we're actually going to come in and mill the backside first and make a slightly oversized pocket so that we're not fitting this full 400 thousandths thick guard material up to the blade. We're going to be fitting a shelf that's actually only about 35 thousandths thick. Okay, here's our guard slot. We've got 366 thousandths on the top, and then if you look from the back side, you can see went just a little over on the back side, so we're at about 375 on the back sides. You want to take your calipers or micrometer and check that we don't have any areas in the lower part of the tang that are thicker than up here by the ricasso, because then you're going to be fitting it over a hump for no reason. So I did that and we're good. Everything's a gentle taper up towards the ricasso. And then I don't know if it showed up, that step from the back side, it almost looks like it's paper thin. That step is actually about 35 or so, 35 thousandths thick. So as machined, we haven't done any handwork on this yet. This should go quite a ways up, and that's where we're bottoming out right there, and so that should be about right. If we file these corners out and make this a rectangular slot, it'll fit up there quite a bit more, and then we can go ahead and start driving it on for press fit.
Vehicle hassle-free. Buick GMC of Beaverton is located at 9155 Southwest Union. Or visit us on
Action in Southeast 60th and Southeast Lincoln. Be traffic smart from the KEX Bedmar Traffic Center. I'm Scott.
Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Well, I need to make a replacement for that.